Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will continue the question answers of the chapter number 8, Health and Hygiene. Here, first question is, what are the various ways through which germs spread from one infected person to a healthy person? So, transmission to communicable disease is through various methods. Spreading of germs, that is first one is by water and food. So, improper handling of food and water, such as keeping food in unclean areas, eating food with dirty hands, etc. Example, typhoid and diarrhea. And by air, disease like cough spread through germs present in air due to sneezing or coughing by an infected person. By vector, disease like malaria, dengue, etc. spread by insects, and these insects carry germs that get transmitted by it transmitted from infected person to a healthy person, such as here and such by the such way from one person to another person it is infected, and such insects are called as vector. For example, mosquito spread malaria as it is the carrier of protozoan plasmodium, so it is a vector. Now question number second, make a table and relate the function of nutrients with the symptoms of disease here on its deficiency. So first one is malnutrient, here micronutrients and micronutrients. So micronutrients, that means which are found in more quantities, that are called the micronutrients. Next one is micronutrient here. Next one is micronutrient, students. So that these micronutrients found in less quantities, that means in very short quantities into the body. So micronutrients are calcium, sodium, potassium, chlorine. These are micronutrients. And next one is micronutrients here. So micronutrients are iron, copper, iodine, magnesium. These are micronutrients, and this iodine you will find it from iodized salt. Copper you will also find here in nuts, legumes, liver, kidney, and manganese that you will find in vegetables. It increase the strength of bones, and this iodine, it regulates the function of thyroxine hormone, and copper, that is also important for the body. So these micronutrient and micronutrient both are important for our body. Next one is, how would you here would you administer first aid to a person who has got burns? So the person who has got burns, we administer first aid to a person by the following ways. First one is, don't try to run. Flames need oxygen to keep them burning, so you will not run at that time, and rolling on the ground will stop them from getting any other oxygen. So rolling on the ground will stop them from getting any oxygen, and it also help at that time. Next one is here, now discuss the general methods of preventing the diseases. So general methods of preventing diseases, some measures to prevent diseases and make them healthy are given here below. So first one is here, articles of daily use such as clothing, handkerchief, towels should be or disinfected regularly. Now next one is, be careful always. Here personal hygiene, personal cleanliness by taking a regular bath with a good soap or shampoo, and food items exposed to flies should not be used. Utensils, clothing, and food articles of particles here. The food articles of patients should be kept isolated. Here utensil, clothing and food articles of that person who is patient, it should be kept isolated. And spraying of disinfectant and insecticide should be done in house time to time for saving us by the harmful substances. And in case of someone is ill, the proper medication should be given to that person for fast recovery. Next one is application based question. Here it we had already discussed in bookwork. And next one is how you prevent the mosquito. So mosquito control, how would you prevent the malaria? The question is given here that what measures can be taken to prevent the this disease means malaria. So mosquito control, bed nets, flying insects, spray and better hygienic conditions. By this way we can control the malaria. Your chapter is finished. Thank you everyone.